Well, hello BINUS. I made this video to help you. May just in case if you don't get it or don't understand while I'm talking in the class. So first thing, I want to show you about 3D object, which is mostly right. We have to we will have to use polygon primitive like example the cube, right. uh, First in the row, that's a polycube. It's mean this attribute of the information of the uh, transform node, which is have translate, rotate, right, scale, and other. Another thing is second in the row is about the shape. You can, but you can see much on the channel box. Yeah. Last thing on the channel box is input node. Uh, First, show up a polygon cube one. Okay, which is we can edit the attribute of width, height, and depth. Let's say I will select the label of the attribute like this, and then I will going to the this viewport, and then to uh, scale up a bit this cube by slide from left to right or maybe right to left to increase the size or scale down the size, something like that. Okay, like that. And then maybe you want more add you want more adding more subdivision with width, height, and depth like this, right? Like this. And then another sample, maybe sphere with radius like this. Or maybe cylinder, move to the left to make easy you to see the change. Yeah, like this. Okay, right? Okay, I will continue within how to move, how to rotate, scale the object itself. So I will delete it uh, beside the cube. Okay, moving is just with the move tool. Select the object, just move on the viewport, or you can type on the translate Y. Let's see, maybe set to 2, something like that, or -5 like that. Let's bring back to 0. Okay, or rotate, right? If you push on the red circle, which is mean you only rotate on the x-axis, as you can see on the right of the channel box, right? It's back to 0. And then if you select and move on the blue circle, which is you rotating on the z-axis, right? And then to scaling, like this, scale up, scale down, scale up, right? If you pick on the center, uh, the blue yellow, sorry, the yellow cube means uniform scaling, but only if you select the blue one means Z scaling, red for X, and then green for the Y scale. Okay, okay, and then next I want to show you how to deform or modify this object. Let's say we will work with Vertex Mode. Okay, just right click on the object, and now you can pick which mode uh, you wanna work with: edge, vertex, face, something like that. Let's say vertex. Okay, so I can select the vertex now, something like that. I can move, right? And then another right click. I pick face. Okay? I pick face. If you want to select another more face, you just hold shift and click with the left mouse button, something like that, and then move. Okay, and then if you want to change, work with the edge, and then you right click and pick edge, something like that. Shift click, right? If you want to unselect, just hold Control key and left click, like this. Okay, if you want to add more face, just select the face, something like this. Adding more selection on face, hold shift, left click. Okay, let's say we adding with extrude. After that, we move on the Z axis like this, right? If you want adding more, just adding more extrude like this. You want to scale down, move down. Okay, and now if you want to back to the object mode, just right click, go to object mode, something like this. Okay, okay, that's the 3D objects introduction. Okay, let's start from the beginning. I said file new scene. I don't want to save. Don't save. Let's say I want to create a polygon primitive cube. Yeah. Scale up, adding more width, height, and depth like this. Okay, adding more subdivision, just a bit. Okay, and then I want to move up a bit, just make it fixed on 5. Okay, okay. Now I want to introduce you about the 3D space, the viewport itself, right? How to handling the axis, which is which one work axis, This is world axis. This is the object axis. Next, you can see the difference between world axis and the object axis. Somehow, the object axis is you can call the local axis. This is the world axis. See the difference. Okay. Next, I want to show you how to handle the navigation system on the Maya. A few shortcuts, right? Okay, I want to show you a few shortcuts. Okay. Okay. First thing, the QWERTY shortcut. Okay. If you press cube, it's mean selection, only the selection tool. But if you press on the keyboard W, that's mean select and move, right? And then press E on the keyboard, that's mean for rotation the object, select and rotation for the object. That's indicated by three circle on the object, and then R for scaling, right? Select and scale. Okay, and then the preview mode 4, press 4 for wireframe mode, like we see right now, and then press 5 to setting view mode, right? And then 6, we don't have texture. Suppose if you press 6 is about to view texture mode, and then 7 for light. The object is now going to black because we're not yet adding lighting on the scene. Okay, and then the last section is for pen tool. Pen, yeah, you can use alt, hold alt and middle mouse button, something like this. Okay, and then arc rotate, alt and left mouse button to arc the 3D space, to arc rotate the viewport. Is totally different with the rotate the object. This is rotate the object, right? But if you press alt and left mouse button, this is to arc rotate the scene, the arc rotate for the 3D space, something like that. And then last thing is zoom. Okay, zoom, you can use hold alt and right mouse button, something like this, or you can scroll the middle mouse button. Okay, okay, so far that's all the how to navigate the 3D scene on Maya. Hope you get it what I mean. Hope you can easily to working on Maya later on. Thank you.